Model, 2011 Ford Transit 2.4 TDCI 100 PS minibus non-runner 60k miles very VLEAN. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 60,797. Engine, 2,401 cc TDCI 100 PS DURATORQ-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear seating area is very clean, well looked after minibus. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.